Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. We all remember the magic of a childhood treehouse. But today, that magic has evolved. We're talking about structures so architecturally stunning, so seamlessly integrated with the forest, they redefine the meaning of luxury. Welcome to the world of modern treehouse design. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs. I'm your host, and today we're looking up. Modern treehouses have moved past the realm of simple backyard play structures. They are now highly sophisticated, sustainable, and often quite luxurious living spaces. They represent a deep desire to reconnect with nature without sacrificing comfort or cutting-edge design. We're going to cover what makes a modern treehouse unique, its amazing benefits, how to make the exterior shine, and most excitingly, count down the top 10 best modern treehouse design ideas that will truly take your breath away. Let's climb into the canopy. Modern treehouse design refers to an elevated residential or retreat structure that uses contemporary architectural principles and technologies to harmonize a building with its natural surroundings, specifically the trees. Unlike traditional, rustic shacks, modern treehouses are defined by clean lines, minimalist forms like cubes, tubes, or spheres, and sophisticated, often hidden, structural support systems that minimize harm to the host trees. The design philosophy is heavily influenced by biophilia, the human tendency to seek connections with nature. This means maximizing glass surfaces for panoramic views, utilizing natural, locally sourced, or reclaimed materials, and ensuring that the internal layout focuses outward. These homes are not just in the trees, they are part of the ecosystem. They are built with precision engineering, often using non-invasive attachment methods to allow the trees to continue growing and moving naturally, creating a dynamic, living structure that is both architecturally bold and environmentally responsible. Choosing to build a modern treehouse offers a unique set of powerful benefits that a traditional ground-bound home simply cannot match. Firstly, there is the undeniable psychological and health benefit. Living in the canopy provides a truly unique perspective, offering an unparalleled sense of privacy, escapism, and calm. The constant presence of nature, the filtered light, and the sounds of the forest have scientifically proven stress-reducing qualities, turning the home into a permanent sanctuary. Secondly, there is a significant ecological advantage. By elevating the structure, the building's footprint on the ground is drastically minimized, preserving the forest floor, natural drainage, and surrounding vegetation. Many modern designs are engineered to be high efficiency, using techniques like passive solar heating and rainwater harvesting, making them a model for sustainable living. Finally, the unmatched views become a daily luxury. You gain a vantage point that is typically reserved for birds or high-altitude lookouts, providing constantly shifting, spectacular scenery that is impossible to replicate on the ground. Decorating the exterior of a modern treehouse is all about making the structure disappear into, or seamlessly contrast with, the forest, while celebrating the journey to the entrance. Focus primarily on cladding materials. The most successful modern treehouses use materials that age beautifully and blend with the environment. Think charred wood, show sooty ban, for a sophisticated, dark look, or vertical cedar or redwood slats that weather to a silvery gray. The key is using natural materials in clean, modern applications. Next, pay attention to the access point. The bridge, staircase, or ladder is a major exterior feature. It should be structurally sound but visually light. Consider floating wooden steps or minimalist cable railings that disappear against the trees. Finally, master the integration details. Use minimal, focused, warm-toned lighting to highlight the structure's base and the canopy, not the building itself. Ensure any visible structural connections to the trees are tidy and often concealed by custom wooden collars that protect the tree while maintaining a sleek look. Get ready to elevate your design thinking. Here are the top 10 best modern treehouse design ideas. One, the cantilevered minimalist cube. This design features a clean, rectangular box cantilevered dramatically over the hillside. The minimal support structure creates a thrilling floating effect, emphasizing the depth and height of the location. 2. Wraparound deck with glass railing. The essential outdoor feature. A generous deck with a clear glass railing ensures that the safety barrier is nearly invisible, maximizing the uninterrupted, panoramic view of the canopy. 3. Tapered wood slat cladding. The exterior is clad in vertical wooden slats that are slightly tapered or angled. This texture creates a beautiful shadow play throughout the day and helps the structure blend seamlessly into the tree trunks. 4. Suspended access bridge. Instead of a staircase, a lightweight suspension bridge connects the treehouse to the main land or another structure. This element adds a sense of adventure and architectural dynamism to the entry. 5. Biophilic cutouts for host trees. A close-up showing where the structure embraces the tree. The design features a custom, circular cutout in the deck or roof, allowing the host tree to pass directly through the home without restriction. 6. Dark geometric multi-level stack. This complex house uses multiple dark-colored modules stacked and offset. The dark palette absorbs light, making the house recede into the shadows of the forest, allowing the windows to pop. 7. Interior volumetric vaulted ceiling. Looking inside, the treehouse uses high, vaulted ceilings and exposed structural beams. This creates a surprisingly spacious, cathedral-like feel, contrasting with the compact exterior footprint. 8. Ground-level service core with elevated living. The structure is supported by heavy vertical posts that form a small, simple base on the ground, perhaps for utilities, while the main, glazed living space is fully elevated for superior views. 9. Curving pod with horizontal windows. This house uses a softer, more organic, curved or cylindrical form. Long, horizontal ribbon windows wrap around the structure, emphasizing the 360-degree nature of the treetop location. 10. Outdoor fire pit and treetop seating. A wide, open-air deck includes a built-in fire pit or outdoor lounge area. This dedicated feature encourages social gathering and fully embraces the concept of elevated outdoor living, even at night. Modern treehouse design is proof that architecture can be both audacious and harmonious. It's about building with intelligence, sensitivity, and a profound respect for the environment. These designs deliver the ultimate getaway, a permanent connection to the wild, wrapped in luxurious, minimalist sophistication. If you're looking for a design that truly elevates your life, the modern treehouse is the answer. Which of these stunning treetop retreats captured your imagination the most? Would you build a minimalist cube or a curving pod? Tell me in the comments below. If you're inspired to build better and design smarter, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios. Your support helps us continue exploring the most innovative architecture in the world. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your elevated view.